Hello everyone, it's me Roshan Learnology. From today onwards we will do proof that of class 10. So we can do this step by step full guidance, and in our channel we will make a playlist of this and we will upload 200 plus videos of proof that, and this is first videos of them. So let's prove this, how you can prove. So first of all we need to take LHS. LHS is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by sin 2a. Just we need to copy this as LHS, and to eliminate one we need to eliminate this one. To eliminate this one, cos 2a, we need to use the formula of cos 2a. We can use here 1 minus 2 sin e square a. This is the formula of cos 2a. You can see in optional mathematics book of class 10. So again we need to in done denominator we need to write as same, and we need to this 1, this minus 1, minus plus 2 sin e square. We need to copy as same. Just we open the bracket and say sin to a formula we need to use in the next section. Write sin to a, negative plus 1, positive plus 1 cancel. We can write here 2 sin square a. Sin to a formula is 2 sin a dot cos a. So we can next step write 2 to cancel, sin a sin square a cancel. So we can write here sin a by cos a. So here we sin a by cos a is equal to tan a is equal to LHS proof. So here you can see that we have easily proved